Alright guys, we got you a 1992 Honda Civic Coupe. Got factory converter, got long tube headers, factory converter. Then got this kit, I don't know what it is. Some aftermarket eBay kit, I guess, that's been scraping like crazy. There's a resonator right there, it's 2.5. And then it continues 2.5 all the way back. And he said he wanted blast pipes. That's the word I was looking for. Blast pipes. So we're like, your wish is our command. We'll get it done for you. And that's what we did. Blast pipes. Blast pipes. Right there. And there. Custom white pipe, custom everything. It's the only way to do it. When you want them done, bring them to us. There it is. Blast pipes. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. It's so loud. Sound decibels? 120, bro. Blast pipes. Again. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Yeah, can you hold on just 1 second, boss? Just 1 second, okay? Blast pipes. It's a lot louder. That's awesome.
I kind of want to do that in mine too.
You're next.